Alright, let's fucking go! Illegal stuff. Don't fucking type these. Next section. Hunk ring function sections. This is the function that takes an explosion, a ring-shaped explosion, chops it up into hunk vectors, stores it in the output hunk tetrad. Inside of this function, we have some new variables, room jumping vars beneath explosion corner vars. You can pause here to read these. I ain't got no fucking time to explain it to you. Let's scroll down. Scrolling down. Come, oh god, I'm gonna run out of fucking time. There's too much stuff in here. Okay, we're gonna loop through every single hunk vector index, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, and we are going to grab out the adjacent room index for the current hunk vector. We are also going to grab out what hunk vector we actually have, right here, using the internal self-referential hunk vector array that is a member of the hunk tetrad object. We're going to use these two lookup tables that take the room index and the ar9 value and compute the adjacent room index and the adjacent offset to the next data pixel index. So each record contains 9 entries, so we have to take the room index and multiply by 9 columns and add the relative offset to whatever ar9 cell we're in. So the ar9 cell is a one-dimensional a3x, a3y value. Once we have this value, we're going to take the next r13 and next ar9, and we're just going to put them into the member vector r13, member vector ar9 values. So these values just get copied over here, right? Direct copy here to here. These are members of the hunk vector. And this is going to help us figure out how to access the data for the hunk vector when we actually draw it. We're going to throw an error here because these lookup tables don't yet have unit tests. So before I get rid of this error, we want to write the unit test for this in another video. And that is it for this video. Here's what we did previously. We got footnotes we don't have time to go over. If you want a longer explanation, you will have to go to this video. You've been here. Tech demos are here. 1 hour long tech demos on my Kanji Coder videos on Twitch. My server is here. My name is Kanji Coder. I am making a Bomberman MMO. If you like Bomberman, you're gonna fucking love this. You need to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. My name's Kanji Coder.